friends, Worldz is back with yet some other science experiments with the topic of density. So let's begin with our next experiment. For this experiment, you will need 3 eggs, 3 glasses, some salt, a glass rod. If you don't have a glass rod, there's no problem. You can also use a spoon, and also we need a spoon and a bottle of water. First, take the 3 glasses and we'll label them glass 1, 2 and 3. So in the first glass, you'll fill the water till the top. And in the second glass also. Now, we take the salt and by using the spoon, we add it to the second glass. Now, we can stir it using a glass rod or by using a spoon, but make sure you use another spoon because we use it another time. Stir it well so the salt should not appear. And now after stirring it, we place the egg in both of them. The first one, when you place the egg, you see that the egg goes to the bottom. With the second egg, first it goes to the bottom, but when we wait some time, it comes to the top. But it doesn't happen with the first egg. Now, pour water halfway in the third glass. Now, add salt to it. And stir it. Here also the salt should dissolve properly. Now, pour the third egg in it, and the situation occurs same to the second glass. It comes to the top after some time. Now, slowly pour water in it. The egg stays at the middle. Here, in the first glass, the density of the egg is higher than the density of the water. So, the egg sinks to the bottom. The second glass, as we added salt to the water, the density of the water became higher than the density of the egg. So, the egg floats here. And here is a combo of these both glasses. At the bottom, we are having the salty water, which is greater than the density of the egg. At the top, we are having normal water, which is lesser than the density of the egg. So the highest dense, which is the salt water, stays at the bottom. Egg, which is at the moderate dense, stays at the middle. And the plain water, which has the least dense, stays at the top. So that's the reason why the egg is at the middle in this container. This is all for this episode. Make sure you see the second part. Hope you like this video. Like and subscribe my video if you want to see more of them. And subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon if you want to get notified for the next video. Thank you.